never looked very comfortable against the spinners. Murali Kartik got once to turn, he followed it. And Dinesh Kartik took a reasonably simple catch. So Brad Hodge again struggled his way through to the 20s, but in the end has got out.
And taken! It was not the greatest of deliveries from Murali Kartik. Was on the shorter side. And Andrew Simons has smashed it straight and was safely pouched. 2 and 2 for India.
Andrew Simons, 100 last game, not this game, 117 for 4.
That can be close. That is. Finally he's got it. That is wicket number 3 for Murali Kartik. The arm ball that goes straight with the arm. Front foot or not, that was headed to the stumps. 6 down Australia. He fired it in. Hadn't struck just in the line of middle and off. And the umpire had no hesitation on that occasion. So wicket number 6. Hadden departs for 19. Australia are 162 for 6.
The shot in place and given by the umpire. Hodge doesn't believe it. Murali Kartik has picked up his 4th. Uthappa was the fielder at short leg.
He's got to go though, Hogg. He's not happy. He goes for a duck. Australia in big trouble. 162 for 7.
And taken. He's picked up 5. That's the best he's bowled in his one-day career. No doubt on that occasion. Quick edge, picked up at point.
Caught by RP Singh at second slip, and he's on a hat-trick again. Brett Lee gone. First ball, 162 for 8 Australia.
Bowled him, clean him up. 6 wickets for Murali Kartik. What a day he's having. He's got India right back in this game, courtesy great spin bowling.
Hitting the top of off stump. Kartik, brilliant today, 6 wickets. Hopes goes for Australia for 22. 177 for 9.